Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku. And I've already solved one puzzle, so two puzzles are left. The JigSaw Sudoku and the Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Thursday, yes, it's still Thursday, March the 7th, 2024. And by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Let me start or continue with this one. What's the news of today? Well, I've told you Ramadan is in a few days. Yeah, Sunday I believe. And as you know, there's a war in Israel. Yeah. And they want to enter Rafah. Well, I can predict that if they enter Rafah, then there will be a lot of people killed. Yeah, innocent people, and those people are starving now. So there will be disaster then. And yeah, enough about the war. Let me continue. Well, it made me sad about this news. Anyway, Four Stars Sudoku number 8143. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one has the same amount, 27 again. Well. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Yeah, 30 minutes or more to solve. Well, usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 1 star if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. In addition, this one, 1 star, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 1 star or a 4 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 4, 5, 2, 8. Well. Here we have 4 numbers. Here also 4 numbers. 3. No. Yeah. Let me start. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So to come next, not only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2, okay. 4. 2 in this row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left 2 should be there. Here, we have 6 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 marks. So the 4 could be here, or there in the first row. Here, or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here, another 4 in the column next, so no 4 there. So the only place left for a should be there. Then 2, okay. Then 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this last column. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in the last column should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. And now, yeah. We have 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for 1 should be there. The 4 in this first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, okay. Need a 7 here. Need a... yeah. Need to wait. How about for 4? Thinking and thinking. Well, need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. In this column, we need a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. Yeah. But these 3 boxes can be a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, here, or there. Well, here can be a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, 5, 5, need a 7 here. I'm thinking, 2, 2, need a 3 here. We have 3 in this column. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the third column, the only 3 place level 3 should be here, here, or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here. 8, 1, 6. Need an 8 here. I'm thinking. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. Here. Need a 4 here. And I need, these 3 missing numbers. Yeah. In the last row. Well, we have an 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 8 could be here, here, or there. The other digits should be the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in the second, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the last digit should be the 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay, and now need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. 5, need a 9 here. Well, we have a pair again. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 9. Well, here cannot be a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 1. 2 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place left is 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So here we have also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. 9, 5. Need a 1 here. Yeah, need a 1 here. No. We already have 1. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. Yeah. Yeah, I need a 4 there. Well. No 9 here, no 9 there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is, no, 7 we have here. The 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. Well, I've marked this box with 1 or an 8. Well, we have an 8 here. And yeah, so 1 digit left. Cannot be an 8. Should be a 1 then. Alright. Here we have 2 missing numbers. The 8 and the 4. Yeah, I need to write 8 and the 4. But we have a 1 here. Okay. 1. 6, 7. Well, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing here in this big square. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Well, we have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 5 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left with 5. Could be here, could be there. Need a 6 here also. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 6 and 5, 6 and 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7 then. 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place 11 and 7. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a pair here, 5 and a 9. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this column are the numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, the 2 goes there. Alright, so, here we have a 6. Here we have a 6. That means in the second column, we need a 6 in one of those 3 boxes. Well, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. Only place 11, 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Need a 4 here. Okay. 9 and a 5. Here, 9, 5, and need a 1 here. Well, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left with 1. Could be here or there. Here we have a 1, here we have a 1, that means in the middle row, the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Well, we have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 in the second column, no 1 there. The only place left with 1 should be there. Okay. Then, let me see. Let me see. 5. And the number. Well. 1, 2. Need a 4 here, need a 5 here, need a 7 here. 4, 5, 7, 4. 5, 4. 4. Oh, 7 here. Interesting. 6. No. 3. 8. Need an 8 there. Yeah. Need an 8 here. How about the 9? Yeah, 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 9 and the 5, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row. For the amount 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4 and 8. We have 8 now in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only a place left in the 4, it should be there. And 1 box left in the middle row for the amount, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, we have a 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and the 5, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square one was the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Again. Same as the previous Sudoku. Well. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.